Hi everyone, it's Kim from Brightly Crafted. I wanted to do a flip through of this little journal that I made with the fabric cover. It's a little smaller than the ones I usually make because I usually make them 6 by 9. This is not quite 6 and almost 9, but it's still just a little bit smaller. I love this fabric, and I made this tie for it and put on this nice big button for the closure. Inside are over 160 pages with this cool green striped fabric. It kind of shows up weird on my camera, I see that. This little, there's a pocket here for whatever you might want to put in there. I cut off that little string there. It's got 4 signatures. I don't believe there's anything coffee dyed in here, but I did use several jelly prints that I made and fabric along the edges, fabric ruffles. It's vintage fabrics from my mom's old quilt box. There is some scrapbook paper throughout with pockets and a little bit of stenciling. These jelly print pieces are so cool because you can collage or do anything on here. Even like if you had a white pen, it would look really nice if you did your journaling on here. There's a few of these, they're called wonky bits, just watercolored things that I'd hand drawn and then used watercolor on and then cut out. I'm going to adjust my brightness here because it looks like it's a little bright and you can't really see some of the details. No, not sure which way to go with this. Maybe I need to go back up. Okay. And then there is a small bit of scrapbook paper throughout. There's a book page out of an old dictionary. Another jelly print. Just like a roll-off page here with some stencil texture. Small bit of paper sewn here. A flower page out of a book, a vintage book. A little bit more scrap paper here. This is just a journal card that I've paper clipped with my hand-drawn and watercolored picture there. Another pocket, butterfly, more paper. I've sewn around that. I've left this with a little die cut, well, it's a fussy cut piece here, another watercolor fussy cut. That journaling space there. Paper sewn. Here's a small fabric ruffle. Another pocket. This is a small flip. Another pocket here with a butterfly stencil. This is the second signature. I've got another fabric ruffle here. This is the fabric that matches the cover. Pocket with a small card within it. These are some of my my watercolor pens, just the different colors, and I listed the names there. These are Arteza, if you recognize the names on there and the numbers. It's a small pocket here, I think. Yep, there's a pocket here. It's been a while since I put this journal together. I don't know why it took me so long to get the flip through done. Here's another watercolor piece that I made for a journal card. Another pocket. Book page from that same old dictionary. Jelly print pocket. And here's another pocket that matches the one that was at the beginning of the signature. A pocket. Oh, this one. I love this jelly print. It turned out so nice. There's a journal card here, which just scraps on a piece of journal card that I've sewn down. I added a small fussy cut and then put an extra piece on the back to cover up the stitching. There's a big page for die cut. Fussy cut. Sorry, I don't know why I keep calling those die cuts. Now these are all the originals. They're not just copies. These are the original watercolor and drawn pieces that I made. Another pocket here. Another pocket. Another pocket. Oh, there's a lot of pockets. A jelly print, a little fabric ruffle here. More book pages from the dictionary. There's another pocket here with the fussy cut bit there. Another one of the the journal card, the leaf design there. Clip to the top. Another pocket. Here's another one of the journal cards with the scraps and the stitching, also lined on the back, and a small die cut. It's in this pocket with a small butterfly stencil back there. A follow page. Another pocket here. And a pocket here. And this is the back. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.